Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know that VLC Media Player, the free video player you probably already have installed, can also record your screen? No need to download extra software. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player. Once it's open, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down, select Convert/Save, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows. A new window will pop up. Click on the Capture Device tab at the top. This is where all the screen recording settings live. For the capture mode, click the drop-down and select Desktop. This tells VLC to record everything happening on your screen. Just below that you'll see a field for desired frame rate for the capture. This controls how smooth your recording will look. Type 15 frames per second for basic tutorials or simple walkthroughs. Type 30 frames per second for smoother, more professional-looking recordings. For most screen recordings, 15 to 30 frames per second is the sweet spot. Now click the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. Another window will open. This is where you tell VLC where to save your recording. Click Browse, navigate to the folder where you want to save the file, and give it a clear, descriptive name. Then click Save. You're all set. Click the Start button and VLC will begin recording your screen immediately. You'll notice a timer counting up in the VLC window. That confirms your recording is live. Now go ahead and do whatever you need to demonstrate. Open programs, navigate folders, walk through a process. VLC is quietly capturing everything in the background without getting in your way. When you're done, bring VLC back up and click the Stop button. VLC will automatically save the file to the folder you selected earlier. Navigate to that folder and your recorded video will be right there, ready to use. And that's it. A completely free, straightforward way to record your screen using a tool you likely already have. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Drop a comment below if you run into any issues. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.